In today's episode, we'll cover advanced ways to monetize your email list. All the tips we've covered in previous episodes can help you monetize your email list. However, an email list is an asset in itself. So far in recent episodes, we've covered 1. Build an email list for effortless business growth. 2. Email autoresponder setup for massive email list growth. 3. Email list growth strategies. 4. Elements of profitable email. 5. Monetize your email list. If you missed any of these past episodes, click the link below to catch up. Now, there are advanced ways to monetize your email list. Did you know an email list can help you generate income without you even relying on having a specific product or service to sell? For instance, you can sell your email list. Just make sure, if you do plan to sell your email list, that you've gotten permission from your subscribers up front. How much is an email list worth? The worth of an email list depends on a few factors. It depends on your industry or niche. It depends on the quality of your data. It depends on who you sell to. Roughly, you can expect to earn 30 to 50 cents per entry for only collected names and email addresses, or $1 to $2 for more complete data. Plus, here are more advanced ways to monetize your email list. You can send paid sponsored emails called solo ads, or sell just a portion of your email list. If you collect detailed data, you can always sell the details of those subscribers who aren't a good fit for your business. You might even be able to sell your email list and continue using it yourself. These are all considerations. Finally, if you don't have a product or service of your own, but you still want to make money from an email list, affiliate marketing is always another viable option. So, there you have it. You now have all the knowledge you need to deploy these advanced ways to monetize your email list. It might seem like a lot to take in, but don't worry. This is something you'll learn on the job by doing. To recap, here's what you've learned from our recent episodes about email marketing. If you'd like to go back and review them, click the link below to catch up. We learned email lists are highly valuable assets for any business. To create an email list, you need an email autoresponder. The most popular options include GetResponse and Aweber, though others are available. Email sign-up forms can go alongside your copy in sidebars as widgets on landing pages or in pop-ups. Offer lead attractors such as free reports, discounts, or trigger offers to grow your email list. Write regularly, but not too regularly. Write in a conversational tone and keep your content engaging while delivering real value. Include calls to action and direct links to easy checkouts. If you take nothing else away from this, the key points to remember are: email lists belong at the forefront of your marketing strategy, both online and offline. Effective email campaigns are about providing value to your subscribers. Value is at the forefront of all your content, including websites, blogs, emails, and promotions. Once you apply the above, you'll find that you have direct access to an incredibly loyal army of fans and followers. It'll take a little time and effort to build your list, and it can take even longer to start making direct sales as a result. The ultimate result, though, will be a direct line of communication with a highly targeted selection of your ideal customer demographic. An asset that'll be highly resilient against any changes to Google's algorithms or new social networks. And guess what? Growing your email list is actually quite fun too. So don't put it off any longer. If you're enjoying the content so far and you'd like to take the guesswork out of growing your business online, then click the link below to get the ultimate shortcut.